are trying to let the people tell their own story and solve their own problems by empowering them. And they're making them know that whatever they are good and we cherish them. We need to understand them, their cultural values, where they are coming from.
You know, we used to have kids who couldn't even read. The moment you mention anything about learning, then they are scared. But now kids can embrace a lot of things because the program is fused in such a way that they may not even know that they are learning. The only thing they know is that they are playing. It has really, really impacted a lot of children.
But with Right to Play, looking at how they are able to use the play-based methodology, the children are able to reflect. They reflect, they connect, and then they apply.
We have to serve people who cannot pay us back. Challenges will always be with us. The poor will always be with us. The vulnerable will always be with us.
It is you and me. We all need to come together as a people and solve the problem. They have a right to childhood. It's beautiful to be a child.